Yeah. Fully active.
Get in there.
And today my birthday. I tell you that.
Yeah, real hug money now.
Yes, man. Today my birthday, but I best gift me ever get. Well, he call me name. Oh my world. Yeah, so I go and base my sauce on the pig.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. So, I line up the fire for the next content, you know. You're on the farm, pig farm right now. Buy one small pig fish, roast. Yes, man, so I get the fire ready. I kill a pig right from the farm where we buy him from. Water. I'm not really a butcher, but I watch and see how it's done today. It's good to learn something new. Yes, so that one guys, you see? Yeah, I'm a boy, you know? I took a pretty one there. I'm a cook for the channel. Yes. Yeah, big up to me never farm, you know? Come purchase when I pig. And I make it happen. Great content as always. So I keep on put out there. Great work. And the channel really grow as time to time. Always at the time I say thanks to everybody who support the channel. I want respect from Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Yeah, butcher man there, you know. Yeah guys, so Sean, I butcher man. Yeah. So we cut the camera because when I want YouTube to flag the channel based upon when the hog get killed. Yo, nice looking one. Nice sharp piece.
Yeah, this side, yeah, this side.
That work.
Yeah, man.
Jamaican people love pork, you know. I must say I all the Jamaican when I really fancy pork like that.
Jamaican stuff. Get it well soaked. You can't use all the hand rub it off. All the knife, you just get it off quick. Just like that, easily done.
I want to say thanks to Sean because I know nothing about scraping up hog. Yeah. And make it look so easy, guys. Princess, I watch your daddy a crepe a pig. I watch daddy. Yeah. Your daddy creping the pig. Hear them. I'm going to use a shave. And I shave, bullet shave, get off the loose one. Time hot. Yeah, Jamaica so hot right now.
What do you mean hot?
Come like a summer already. Easy for the use.
Right now, easy to cook enough.
So that's why it's when me a roast it, man.
Alright,
Heap
I want
of
to
heat.
same size one like this I'm keep for one shiny man right there. Them all roasting more. I didn't size of them roasting.
Yeah, man.
Like.
Yeah. Guys, a duck here. He just come a yard and just when he come in all that. I swear. He's a part of the family now. Oh man, where you going out for? Oh, where you going out for? You put a rice and peas there. They go with them love rice and peas, so my sister give them rice and peas. The duck are going to go eat. Yeah, Sean White, I pull him up. Yes, sir.
Alright, this is the final touch and we're getting him ready up. We get to season up and then with the last part of here coming up and we're gonna get out the liver. This is the liver. Heart. All of this stuff, kidney. We're gonna get them out and season them up. Them nice. Real Jamaican nice pig.
So yes, peeps, we just get the pig killed. So we're go up on the road, go pick up some ground beverage and all. So we'll get some scallion, onion and pepper and everything there. And pimento seed and something there. Hey, yo. See
Yo,
there?
I want to hear too excited, man.
Yeah, but I feel something, you know.
Yeah, man, me know.
We have excited because I buy things.
So what me I go eat?
Wow, whole a pig?
So what me I
Oh
go
my
eat?
word.
What me I go eat?
Someone said, I hate that. I hate that pig I eat.
Guys, I hear how this man a stay. Him just a look for himself and load it up.
So, some good people, I saw him steer the people.
That one, me fight it's Sunday, man. So,
Alright, so
today what, Thursday? So today Thursday, so we are seasoning up the pig from now. So we want the pig to properly soak in our season, you know? Yeah, DJ nice.
Yeah man, my respect again, family. I'm gonna say Caribbean Vibes Cooking, fully active.
Yes,
Nobody
man.
not talk to me. I'm ready again, the 2024. Oh you mean Kevin? Dog, beer, the whole vibe, be fully active with that pig. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, bike life, you know? All them Rasta.
So yes, peeps, the journey comes to the road. In your mind, you feel that the journey through food to place. And go downtown and pick up the season there. Yeah man, we there man. Fully active out Sunday. Whole a pig. Yes man, we there peeps. Out.
Yeah, we want to give them one mango festival.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really man.
Yeah.
Back there ain't gotta walk.
Who?
This is what.
Yeah. Boy, I make me get rid of bike, I swear.
Yes peeps. We'll go buy one now.
Yeah, we have to go get one, boy. I swear.
Doc.
Yes, Dada.
So yes peeps, we reach our season place and all. We'll get the powder season.
Man, excited,
Yeah man. Yeah, everyone fully I picking them on the first, so I get call me name, you know. Yeah. Man, the whole hog. Oh my word. Can't wait. Yeah, man, with the jagger, man, the season, man, a real season, man. Ever since my boy started cook a year, so I buy me seasoning. Jagger, a real big man.
Yeah, respect, bro.
Yeah, peeps, we order the seasoning, man.
Quarter garlic.
So we buy the other side jerk and the side garlic. Side pork season, oh again?
Meat season.
Oh, meat season.
Try meat season want to eat.
Yeah, you easy slice.
What else?
Okay. That's it all now. We do the skillet on the one.
You know what
the
masala? The masala to cook pan. Masala nice pan pork in it. Turkey, yeah man. Can buy only one.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright, so you hear that, guys?
Yeah,
I'm the best, you know?
Cause that boy, I have to eat the pork.
No, sir. See that?
Yes, sir.
All about fish there.
Wish no fish never there. Yeah, man, we're in a shop market for long time place. Them place I grew up in. So you say?
Yeah, so me happy though, because me get where me come from. I respect both dog right now, my people, because he play a hater, he want me to eat pork, but you know, balling. And we are still grounded, no pork. So we get some fish Sunday, so we are going to get some ground provision, onion, scallion, thyme, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and then head up and season up the pork. So see one in our video. Yeah. All them rasta.
Yeah, peeps, I ride tree market. Remember first time I boy, their market. Them time I couldn't ride tree market, them time boy, market gone, you know what I'm saying?
Where gone? Market.
I wonder
Market
if
still there, man.
I wonder if I supermarket, the market in a supermarket, mash up the market. But my first time I boy at them place, full, you can't ride bike through my place the first time. But that's how you go. Yeah man, you couldn't ride bike, and you couldn't do no riding. Yeah man, my first time I boy in the market. My man at them place I grew up in. Yeah man, in the market. My first time I come to the market, my place is full up. Bank into my two sides, full up.
Sure,
You can't walk through the market. And now, I wonder if through crime and the violence, everything has changed. That cause the people them to want to come downtown again. And them something that happen now. So, we're there. I walk through the market now, we'll get some check cripple. That's how I think. We're there, fully active. Out. Yes, kids, we finished by we go on provision them, so we have to go up the road and that there we're going to look on brush.
BS sauce
on the pig. So follow me. I go up the road now.
Yeah. Caribbean vibes cooking.
There, man,
Father, where are it? There, man.
Team out, man, fully active. You know, time now, I can't ride so easy through them place. First time a boy come up, yeah, market, in a downtown market. But now, everything changed.
Yeah,
fully.
brother.
Things change now, peeps. Change. Fully change. Yeah, man. That's how I go. We have to just go and work with the flow.
Yeah. And I use the cardboard, you know? Swing jaw for low sear them. Can use a razor blade. The hand on right now. So my mother done say use a hand turn make fashion, you know? Right, dog? Yeah, we are wash off the pig here with some white vinegar. Yeah. Turn for the camera, man. Turn for the camera. Yeah.
Looking like a
Yeah. Wash out the mouth, you know?
That's the only toothbrush and brushing teeth.
Yeah, my people, Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog family. Yeah, man. Pork Sunday. Yeah. Yeah, man, so I got take him out of this water, yeah. And we are going to blend the season them, you know? Yeah, for the blended marination, I use some scallion, onion, thyme, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, pimento seed, cloves, bay leaf, ginger, garlic. And we're also gonna use an orange. Yeah, ripe orange, so I'm just gonna cut it, squeeze it in the blender. Yeah, my people, so we are going to add the dry seasons them now. Jerk season, meat season, some of the garlic powder, some of the masala, and dog favorite, the jerk.
Yeah, fully active.
Jerk season combined with a lot of ingredients. You can see the pimento seed in a hit same way. Yeah. So I have to put him on the table, you know.
Oh my word, babes.
Yeah. So I'm massaging the season.
Yeah.
Using a glove because of the scotch bonnet pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper have a lot of spice in it. Throwing some of my season. So we gently adding in it. We don't want to add too much and overpower it with too many salt. So I'm going to add some jerk, wet jerk.
Smell like you can't eat already, brother.
Yeah. And we also go add our blended season as well. We turn him over and do the same on the other side. Yeah, thanks guys again. You know, gratitude is a must. Big up to Rasta Dog there behind the camera.
Fully active.
Yeah.
That time of my wife, I run too hard.
Well, I have to go eat piece of this pork. Yeah.
Don't I run too hard.
Yeah, so we gently add in a little browning. End that. Yeah, so we gently add in a little browning. Yeah. So we don't add too many browning because too many browning I go get it too dark too quick whenever time a pig a roast. Yeah. So add in some of the marination in it. Cut. Where's soya? Yeah. I add just a little soya sauce on the pig. We're not going to add too many soya sauce because soya sauce itself contains salt. So we don't want the pig to too salt. We're going to turn him and do it on both sides.
Don't look like a sweet pig actually.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, also I got to add our own blended. We are coating with all of it. And just leave him to marinate till Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See you guys in our next part of the video. Yeah, see you in the next part of the video, my people.
Yes, me peeps. Can't wait for Sunday to come. We get in a little pig here. Peace and love. See you in the next part of the video. Boom. Boom.
$250. That's 550.
Benta dia na buso ang tayo.
Hindi na maintain venture. Venture nice, you know. Clear, awa nice ito spot ko kaya sa mga wedding na whatever. You have to deal with it. Ano nga so nice lang over there.
No, you look like it's a get shallow. Kind of clear. Wagwan.
Yeah, big up guys, viewers and subscriber. Welcome back. Caribbean Vibe Cooking Vlog. My boy Feed and Teach Nick. Big up bro.
Yeah man.
Long been waiting bro.
Yeah man, good for
Long been waiting, you know.
Oh my world. It come like I'm a birthday today. Watch out. One whole hug. Oh my world. Can't wait to get in it. See it there? A whole pig. Mango festival. A party today. Come like I'm a birthday. Aha. Watch out. Peeps. reach for the spot. Stick and stay.
Giant.
And your peeps, they're on the scene now, I get the place sort out. I get the pit sort out for you. Pit. Listen man, pit.
The pit.
Getting the pit sort out.
One time I deal with my internet down to the past 2 days. I have one video to upload and cancel.
Yeah man. Welcome back people. Happy Sunday. Big up Chef Gary. Chef Gary, talk to your people, man.
Oh yeah.
Watch out.
Yeah. Down in the hole, so we dig a hole, isn't it?
Oh, they down in the old people saying couldn't get this.
Yeah, we're there on location. First time I link up with Tevan.
Yeah man, respect bro, respect. I really appreciate the link bro.
Yeah.
You know, long overdue my people, but as I said, nothing happened before the time.
You see not carry something there anyway.
Nah.
It bar a canvas. You carry?
You're not a farmer.
No, it's just say you want some time.
You gonna look good.
Yeah man, you know what none?
No, sir.
Oh, excuse me.
No, no.
I guess a sweet with this, you know?
Yeah.
Yes sir. So we can't take out.
We'll drive one right there, so in the dirt. I'm tired of the fire.
Let go, make me cut him.
Good chop, eh?
We go on some now to go cross, you know.
Yeah.
And we are go on. We are go still want one crack right there, so we need one there.
Yeah.
Where?
We must say I want 2 of them. I put one there so I want it to go all the pig.
Okay, yeah man. Need a crash or we just... Yeah man, alright, you know,
Caribbean Vibes cooking team with there again, you see me? Alright, you know, today we are doing a whole suckling pig. You see me? So we are about to put him on the fire now. So we just do a little more season up. We want to get some of the flavour in the leg part of the pig. You know, because you know say meat like this you have to reach the seasoning reach the inner section, it's kind of hard. So what we do, we make 2 incisions on the bottom part of the leg, and we are going to foresee little seasoning inside. You know, see we can get some of the seasoning inside of the leg. You know, some scallion. So you know, say at least when this done now, we have whole heap of flavour. All about same way. Sometime same way. So get in this now. Alright. So this is a first on the channel. And we're hoping to do more, get some pimento same way and squeeze in there. Want it very flavorful. Yeah, so get in them there. Then we start cook now, the flavor just start melt inside the whole leg. Nice. Not even know say in there. Yeah man. So what I want technique, alright. Getting some pimento.
Oh my world.
Yeah.
Right now people come like to have a birthday.
Yeah.
Watch out, they call me name, you know.
What's the locks for the money, I talk about birthday?
Peeps, they call me name.
2 locks for the channel.
Watch it. Our best thing ever happened. Watch out, man. I'm a tear out when I see him. I can't wait to get tonight.
Hey, dog.
Boy.
Yes, people, so we have to bust the middle part of the hog because you know say we want him spread out, because the more him spread out, the faster him roast, and you know you get the more concentration of heat all over the body. So just bust it inside.
Yes, please. I might think this. Never.
You get 2 pieces of green hood meat there.
Hey, Ron.
You probably have to give me the time in town, really.
Can't make me look. They won't lock me down now.
What money?
Yeah.
Tell you, man.
The 2 close basting, you know, on the surface.
Yeah. So we are going to hear about the pimento leaf and add on the egg. You know, pimento leaf along with sweet wood. So good when you come on to authentic Jamaican jerk. And it helps to add flavor to the pork. So we're building our flavor towards the pork.
Grab him on.
Yeah, so we are turning the pig, my people. Yeah.
Boy,
Keep on rotating.
watch pretty big man. Oh my, watch this spread out. Good there.
Yes.
fun.
So the fire balance under him, you know.
Fully active.
Alright, you know, we are going to turn the pig right here now, right? Alright, here we have some pimento leaves and branches. I know say pimento have a lot of flavor in it, you see me? So we are going to make a bed on the wood and just turn the pig and put him down on it to get some more flavor.
Got that in a sir.
Alright, now I just 1, 2, 3.
Oh man.
Put on everything. Yeah.
Nice.
Church start like say about 8:20. And for 8:20 put T-Rex to sit down. He never moved till church over. So then they call altar call and I go the straight up there. He come with me. One day I say, hide the dog, brother. And the dog follow. I hide the dog and I walk like when I walk one different place and he smell which part me I go. T-Rex. That dog a very man. I love the dog, man.
Yeah, so Julian the mango for the festival. Julian dice. It's supposed to, alright. Yeah. Start our festival do you know. Now one thing we learn when you come on to baking. When you start, you add all your dry ingredients then first, and then you mix. So you add the cornmeal, baking powder, little sugar, alright, and then we add the flour. Down on the riverside, you know? Jamaicans, they love river party. Almost every Sunday, almost every river in Jamaica, ram. You know? So, Jamaicans, we love river party. Alright, so, I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients them together, you know? Cornmeal with flour, sugar, baking powder. Yeah. That is that. The mango. So we add with chop up mango. Mix in and I do.
Guys, it's nice to be in the vlog again. Come on, there's Reno. Come back, go my back.
Fully active.
Yeah, we're outside. We just a check in for the vlog.
Yes, sir. Fully.
and the fat.
Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Subscribe, like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Damn, we can't jump out. Subscribe! Like, subscribe to Caribbean Cooking Class.
Yes. Oh. Look at one out enjoying yourself.
Subscribe!
Yeah, man, we go pick up the snacks car. The people over there for hungry, so you know what I said. I think we are roast a pig like about 4 hours now. About that?
Yes, man, about that, man.
The big up Russian.
Yeah,
bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
There go my boss.
Oh, you take your word out. Remember, say you don't have
No,
purpose.
but when I use none in I season in the pork, brother. But we can use look like all-purpose season up
So you're
here.
gonna have none work on it.
I need no out.
So you're gonna have none work on it.
I'm a Caribbean vibes.
Yeah, not all-purpose vibe. Trouble that then I will get cut. You see that?
Dog.
Yeah, more people, so we are going to build the base sauce to the pork. So we add some tomato ketchup, we add just a little bit of paprika. We add some honey. You know what I say honey, don't?
Fully.
Yeah, we like to use honey because honey gives it a nice sheen along with a lot of flavor. Just a splash of soy sauce. Also, I'm going to build back the sauce with some Walker's Wood jerk, spicy jerk, you know, Jamaican. So we are caution with it because, you know, we have kids. You know, we are get a nice citrus flavor. So we are use some orange juice. You know, we are whisking everything together. So we want the sauce to be stiff, so when we use the brush and base it, it hold on from the pork.
When it's one name, I remember.
Feed and teach. Feed and teach. Yeah, man. Yeah, so we are base the hog. You know, after we complete basing, we flip him. Base the skin. So we start by basing the rib cage first, all through. Yeah, big up to Russian.
Really bad.
Big brother from another mother. Always a support Caribbean vibes cooking. Not ready to eat yet. Yeah, my people, so me a base back of a pig. Me say, guys, you know, missed that a while ago. China man help turn the pig and pull out the wood out of the pig mouth. I swear. Guys, you run when you see if it's a stick drop out of the pig mouth. Like I want to show you what.
Now you're talking piece of stick.
Yeah, tell her.
Now you're talking piece of stick. And first you say wood.
Why I'm going to run like a pig? Eh?
Full house.
Yeah, man, come up, man. Come up. Yeah, we did it again, my people. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog in collaboration with Third Eye TV, in collaboration with Feed and Teach. Yeah, man, we're telling you that when the new year start, man, it's nothing but hit, man. Yeah.
Yes, we are going to start trying some of the festival here now. Mango festival. You know, say pig soon finish. So, start try out some of the festival.
Yeah, fully active.
Get in there, get in there.
Like today my birthday. I tell you that.
Yeah, real hard money now.
Yes, man. Today my birthday, but I best give me again. But in call me name. Oh my world. Yeah, so I go and base some of my sauce for the pig. Meanwhile, tell me over this, look about the Mango Festival. Yeah, man, we're there, man. Team out, fully active. Can't wait to get to that pig. God no.
So I'm taking out the first batch, as you guys can see, and in the second batch. And these are the Mango Festival. Eh? Yeah. Tend to want to do things different, we don't want to be doing it the same way over, so we add a little different to the festival. Just adjust that one alone now, overcrowded the pot.
So when I see the enemy, we know if people is that. You are so giver. Everybody there, I bless you, we have to deliver. Your pot are yours and ever. One bird eye. Let them know that this thing worldwide. Yo, this thing worldwide. Yo, judge and show me a vision. So me know some me have to be the mission, man. You start up with short mission. You just need the location. Love in my heart. You I'm clear, I'm glad. You come here to go down to Babylon. You are the one, me are the one. Everybody come together, that's a part of it. Run the road like a million. And if you make it lower than up no one, you will giant blood. You will giant blood. I'm there upon the river. Put out the voice in our people. You are going to the video.
Some million baht plastic on the foot.
One different.
Finally, shipper come to shore. The peeps, they are waiting and anticipating. The one the kids, they are waiting, man. Can't wait to get in that pig. Yes, man. You can see it from without, man. Look how rain come down. So we get the canvas line up.
Put the back power bank. Hold on. Let's put the power bank in it.
Yeah, look where they come now, so we get the canvas line up. Third eye and DJ Nice there. Yeah man, then there man. Pull it out.
Love and respect, brother.
I don't know if you don't teach there.
No, make it clear.
Take thumbnails.
Can't wait the kids them, can't wait to get to that point.
Except for me.
Catch your foot man.
Oh yes sir, it's all gone. Yes, peeps, we are doing the garnish of the pig.
You're nasty.
You're late, man. You're late, man.
See up here, you're nasty. You have to in there.
You're playing a long time, man. You're late. I think I'm well famous.
I'm excited.
Bob Marley or Peter touch.
Do your face.
Yeah.
Lovely.
So soft.
Yeah, man. It's a young pig, you know.
Boy,
Oh my word.
can't wait.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Pig a roast about 5 hours now. Hey.
Listen. Good, bad. Bad. Watching plate. Come, Kevin.
Come on,
Take some time and stop your time. Go something I go do. Hold it. Keep fast. Come next time.
Please, this is where I go.
I'm out there, man. Dog. I'm going straight pick, you know, say. Can I shoot myself now?
Come here. You get one to
Sir Russian.
Oh my word.
Bad. Bad, you.
Rasta love pork, so man.
Huh?
I want a piece more, sir. Yeah, man, he did it, man. He did it, bro. He did it, bro. He did it, bro. Well, them this.
Yes guys, so I'm trying the roast pork and the festival. And it tastes very nice. This is wonderful. Delicious. Wonderful.
Guys, the food tastes nice.
He's a breeder. I look off a figure them so
That dog.
My peeps, it's my birthday. You know what they do? Whole a pig. How what they do? Call me name, fully active, me tell you. Mango Festival, and jerk pork. Oh. Run!
Chef Kiri on the ones and twos, you know?
Wonderful.
Yes sir, yes sir. Not all of me alone, you know, but big up to Chef Gary, you know?
No clean.
Woodfire Sunday, river vibes. Man, well seasoned. Sauce bud.
Yes, peeps. Whole a hot Sunday as a boss say. Nice! Sauce! That's something to die for.
Oh my word.
Oh my word!
Caribbean cooking vibes, the flipping around. Just keep on subscribe to our channel, share, like. The pork here, really nice, believe me. Woodfire Sunday, man, Stefan, did it again. Peace, we are out. Team, listen up.
Roger. About how much time now, Russian?
Third plate, this third plate.
Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Tastes really good. Full of flavor, smoky, nice. Sauce are well bad. Caribbean Vibes. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Like, share and subscribe. This solid, this tastes good. Mango Festival, oh gosh. Alright, all boss, respect. What's up?